This is Larrylison Masterclass. My name is Lawrence. Welcome back to our Chinese Masterclass, HSK 1, Lesson 1, Episode 3 discussion. Previously, we discussed about two basic strokes of Chinese language, which are Hong and Shu. I will say that Hong is the one with horizontal line, while the Shu is the one with vertical line. We also give some examples with these strokes. In this very episode, we are going to be looking into the third basic strokes of Chinese, and also we are going to learn these strokes with 4 new characters. Stay tuned. Hi, welcome back once again. The third basic strokes of Chinese, which is known as Pierre, is called the left falling strokes of Chinese. These strokes can also be written from top to bottom, from top to left bottom, this way. It can be written this way, from top to left bottom. While in some Chinese characters, it can appear horizontally this way, little. Also, in some other characters, it can also appear vertically this way. So let's quickly learn this stroke others with new vocabularies, with new characters. Let's find out some characters where these strokes appears in. The first one we are going to be discussing today is a word known as "niu". Niu literally means cattle or cow. Please, before we start, let's quickly watch a very short video, a few seconds video that will tell us how to write this "niu" and also tell us how it was written in an ancient time, how it was evolved from ancient time to our time, how we can write these characters. So let's quickly watch a few seconds video and then jump into the next one.
So "niu", which is cow, in an ancient time, ancient days, they used the head of a cow to write the character. So you look at the ancient time, this is the way it was written. So back then, it keeps on evolving. So evolving to then it comes to our time. So you will see the way we are writing these days. This is the way we are actually writing these days. You can't really find out where the head is. Then look at the 4 pictures now. The first pictures is the head, then the third pictures is the revolutions of those of the characters before it comes to our own. So this is the way it could be written: Pierre, Hong, Shu. That is, it have 4 strokes, 4 strokes orders. So take your time to watch back to understand the principles how to write these characters in the stroke orderly form.
Thank you very much. Let's quickly learn 2 words with this character. Niu nai. Niu nai. Remember, we said that niu means cattle. Then nai here literally means milk. Niu nai means, when it adds together, it means cattle milk or cow milk. Niu nai, cow milk. Beautiful. Let's look into another one. Niu ro. Niu ro. Remember, we said niu means cattle, ro means meat. So niu ro, cow meat, meaning beef. Niu ro. Beautiful. Then another next one, the third example that we are going to give with this character is niu jiao. Niu jiao. Also remember, niu literally means cattle. Jiao here means horn, a cattle horn. So we can also call cattle horn niu jiao. Beautiful. Then let's jump into the second character that we are going to discuss about today. The next one is kai. Repeat after me. Kai. Kai literally means to open something. So before we proceed with this kai, let's also quickly watch a very short video, few seconds video, that will tell us how this kai was evolved from ancient time to our time and how we can write this kai.
So kai literally means open, initiate, start, or to begin something. In the ancient time, they used 2 hands pushing a door to write the character. So you can observe, look at the next picture. The ancient time, This is the way it was written. The two hands represent these two characters before it comes to our time. So now let's practice how to write this character. Hong, Hong, Pierre, Shu, Kai, meaning what? To open, initiate, start, or to begin something.
Beautiful. Let's study two examples with this Kai. Kai man. Kai man. Kai literally means open. Remember, in our previous video, we discussed about men shan. Men shan. And we said that men literally means gate. So Kai meaning open. Kai men open gate or open a door. Kai men. So you can ask someone, Chin Kai men, please open the door. Then another example, we can also learn Kai ko. Kai ko. Ko literally means mouth. Kai ko means open mouth. Kai ko, beautiful. Let's jump into the another one. The third one that we're going to study today is Zhen. Zhen. Remember, when we're discussing about the Gong Zhen, we said that Zhen literally means person. Zhen. So Zhen meaning person. Let's see how to write that character. So let's watch out a very few seconds video. On the video, we'll find out how this character was written on an ancient time and also how it was written in our time. So watch out.
So this is Ren. It literally means people, person, mankind. So in an ancient time, we use people to represent this character. So now look at the way when they want to write the character, they use the picture of person to write the character. Then when it evolves down to this present days. This is the way it should be written. Look at it, Pierre, na, meaning what? Zhen, and Zhen literally means people, person, or mankind, meaning what? Zhen.
Beautiful. So let's study two examples with this character. The first one is Zhen Men. Zhen Men. Beautiful. Remember we said that Zhen literally means person. Men is a word that we use anytime, anywhere you see a word added to men, it means always mean plural of that word. So plural of men, so plural of ren meaning people. Zhen men, people. Zhen men means people. Then another example we have Zhen ko. Zhen ko. So Zhen person. Ko literally means mouth or something in a round form. So Renko, when it comes together, it means population. Nirilia, for example, we have Nirilia Renko, that is Nigeria population. Renko, beautiful. Let's quickly move to the last example we have. So we have another example called Ba. Repeat after me. Ba. So Ba here literally means 8. 8. So before we proceed, let's quickly watch a very quick video that will also tell us how this 8 was evolved from ancient time to our time. And we can also learn from the video how this character could be written.
So this is actually bar, meaning what? 8. So it forms to 8 balls. Then 8 balls that jumps together forms a stick, 2 stick. So it evolves up to 4 times in an ancient Chinese times. So it evolves to this way and then comes to this way and then comes to our present time. This is the way we are writing bar these days. Then remember it is formed from 2 stick, and then comes to this way. So you can observe the 4 pictures. So now let's quickly practice how to write this character. Pierre na. Pierre na. That is literally 2 strokes orders. Literally 2 strokes orders to write this. It is very, very simple. Ba meaning what? 8. Ba 8. Beautiful. 2 stroke orders.
Thank you very much. Let's learn two examples with this character. Agoren. meaning what? 8 person. 8个人, 8 person. 我家有8口人，我家有8口人，我家 my family， 我家 my family， 有 have 8口 8 8口人 8 people. Ko there literally means a major word. 我家有8口人. Beautiful. This is where we are going to be stopping today. In our next video, we are going to be discussing about the 4th basic strokes of Chinese language. Please, if you are new in this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button and also don't forget to click on the notification bell to always get updates of our new video.